How did I find out about this trip? Strange, I was making a cup of coffee and my boss came up to me and says, how do you fancy doing the South Pole trip? Come as a bit of a shock, but a welcomed one. I know it's going to be hard and we're going to have to mentally dig deep.
What shall we call him, India?
On one that sort of just takes it on the chin and take it as it comes. My role here was prototype engine build stroke senior engineer role. I will be there as technical support, so if there's anything goes wrong with the bike, it'll be down to me getting refined. And I will be riding as well. I see it as reward for the work that's been done on it.
Have you used the ski before?
In theory it should work, in practice we'll see.
I have been in some climatic chambers when doing emissions testing. That went down to -40. I'm hoping my experience is enough to get the bike from the start to the pole.
What's more likely to break first, Dean or the bike?
I think Dean. Yeah. Am I afraid? Good question. I would think you'd be silly not to be slightly apprehensive and afraid of it. It's the harshest environment on the planet. Being the oldest member of this party, yes, I would say I'm fit enough to ride a bike to the South Pole. Or I'd like to think I am.